Bronny James is steadily shaping his identity in basketball and sneaker culture, stepping outside of his father LeBron James' towering legacy. His latest achievement is tied to Nike's release of a special LeBron NXXT Genisus colorway designed with him in mind. Although the shoe doesn't carry Bronny's name, the off-white cream base with bold pink accents reflects modern performance and lifestyle aesthetics, resonating with today's players and fans. Retailing at $170, the pair is set to drop on September 12, 2025, further strengthening the James family's influence in sportswear. Rather than replicating LeBron's explosive early career, Bronny is crafting his own pace, building relevance both on and off the court. This sneaker milestone highlights his growing presence, showing he is not just LeBron's son, but an emerging figure whose style and individuality continue to carve a unique path in the game and sneaker world.